My name is Kevin Talbert. I work in purchasing and inventory control for Parrish Hare Electrical Supply in Dallas, Texas. Currently, almost all parts of our business are using Phocas. We're using it. Our salespeople are using it. The purchasing department obviously is using it. Our inventory guys are using it. We're on the RF system with Phocas, so we're monitoring what those guys out in the warehouse are picking and pulling, how much stuff we're receiving all the time. Accounting department's using the finance system. We're even paying our salesmen off the commissions database now, so it's touching all phases of our company these days. My day-to-day is purchasing biomaterial, keeping the shelves full, and also turning over dead stock, sending it back out. Also doing Phocas dashboards, setting up dashboards for our salespeople, making sure they're up to date with everything. Our business data on our day-to-day operations, as time has gone on, it's become very, very important to an electrical distributor to be able to access our data in real time and see where we are and where we're going. Using Phocas makes me feel like I have more value for my company and we can make more valuable decisions